a new kit Mayco just came out with. It's their 2020 Stoneware colors. There's 8 colors and they're all available in a 4-ounce. So a great trial package for you to try. As you can see from the colors down here, you can mix and match them and you can do them individually. We've got a couple samples here for you. We've got a mug that we did on the bottom here. We use Desert Dusk on the bottom of it, and then we used Muddy Waters on the top, and then we used Ox Blood for the rim here, and then we use Antique Brass in the middle. So a great combination. You don't have to do all these 4, but I wanted to see what they look like on this mug, so it came out really, really nicely. And then for this mug, we did the Desert Dusk on the bottom again, and then we came back with the Speckled Toad in the middle of the mug, in the rim. And then we also put the Desert Dusk in the middle here, and when I saw that, I go, wow, look at the crystals burst. I didn't think they would do that, because when you actually look at the color, Desert Dusk, there's no crystals showing at all. So we went back and we did a 3rd piece, this vase, and the Desert Dusk is on top. We did 3 coats of Desert Dusk, and it was just amazing the crystals that popped out of it. So you get some really one-of-a-kind effects. You can do it by itself or in combination with another color on top, and you get some really neat dynamic colors that pop out onto you. So you want to check out our 2020 kit. There's not that many left, but you want to get them while you can, because every year they do sell out. Mayco also has a great new Stoneware brochure. It's got all the Stoneware products, from mats to crystal glazes, to satins, to the fluxes, all the great washes that are in there. So a great little catalog for you to browse through. We also came up with what we call our Stoneware Cafe, sort of an unbranded concept. And so some of the customers have said to us, it's very hard to differentiate the low fire from the high fire. There's 2 different things you can point to. On the Stoneware bisque, there's a little Stoneware marked on the bottom of the piece, so it's really easy to determine this is a Stoneware piece. Plus, it's much heavier than the regular low fire piece. So we came up with this Stoneware Cafe idea. It's sort of like an unbranded concept. So you can differentiate in your studio or online that you have Stoneware products available. Stoneware is great for the oven, microwave, dishwasher, cook with it. It's a really utilitarian product. You're gonna love it, your customers are gonna love it, and the quality is second to none. So definitely check out our website for Stoneware Cafe, and we're gonna mention our coffee side of it, but we'll do that in another segment. So have fun creating and check out our new 2020 Stoneware kit.